The city of Melbourne, located in Australia, is a vibrant and diverse destination offering a unique blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and modern amenities. Known for its stunning scenery and thriving tourism industry, Melbourne has become a popular choice for travellers looking for an unforgettable experience. Melbourne boasts a picturesque cityscape with iconic landmarks such as Federation Square, Flinders Street Station, and the Royal Exhibition Building. The city's architecture is a fascinating mix of historic buildings and modern design. Tourism plays an important role in Melbourne's economy, with millions of travellers flocking to the city every year. Travellers can enjoy a wide range of activities, such as visiting lively restaurants serving food from around the world or shopping at popular malls such as Bourke Street Mall or Chapel Street. Melbourne is often referred to as Australia's cultural capital because of its rich arts scene and numerous cultural events. The city is home to numerous art galleries, theatres and museums. Whether you are planning a short visit or an extended stay in Melbourne, you can expect an unforgettable experience combining history with modernity. With its welcoming atmosphere and diverse attractions, this vibrant city continues to fascinate travellers from around the world.